look how bright these guys are. Oh my goodness, they are so bright. Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, I got a quick video for you. I'm working on the 2000 Lexus GS300. All we're doing, we're changing the backup light. Also, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Right here, hit the subscribe button down below and put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it. Okay guys, we gotta replace we're gonna replace the backup light as well. So what I'm gonna do first, let me see if I can get it from the inside. If not, I think there's two bolts here, we can pop this thing out. But let me check here first. It says a couple pop clip here. Let's just pop them off. So these are 12, it looks like. Let me go get my tools. Normally there was supposed to be some little covers there. They must be lost, so no problem. Let's see if this is 10 or 12. Let's try the 10. There's two 10s here. You gotta take those guys out too. These are nuts. Okay, now I should be able to pop the light out. There you go. Here it is. This guy's the backup, guys. Let's take it out. Just twist it. It's another 7440. Gotta show you the before first. Okay, ready? So that's the before, guys. Let me get the new one and I'll install it and I'll show you guys. Sorry guys, it's very windy. As you guys know, I order all my lights, most of my lights from this company. Like I said, the link is down below. Check it out. So here's the new bulb. I took it out of the box. Let's take it out. And take this one off. Hot. Put the new one on. Oh, hold on. There you go, guys. Big difference, right? Then once it's done, you put it in the housing. Find a little pattern, twist. That's done. Okay, guys. Once the light is back on, there is a ledge over here, guys. Right here. See? Put the ledge in the bumper, and then everything should line up really fun, really easily. There we go. We put the two bolts holding the light here. Done. So we push this back and we put the two nuts that was holding it. Okay, now tighten them down. That's it. Push this cover back in its spot. Go. Okay, there's supposed to be a clip here too. It's missing, but no worries. Then we put this clip back in there. There we go. Now let's go to the other side. So same thing, guys. You need to pop one of the clips out, which is this one. These clips are, there's one of them that's missing, so we should be able to just stuck back here too. Okay, then move this out. And out. So there's two now. There's two over here too, guys. Take these two guys out too. There we go. Now slide the light out. Okay, so this light is right here too, guys. You know the drill. Twist. Here it is. I'm gonna give you another quick before. So here's the before, guys. Let's take this guy out. Put the new boy in. There we go. There you go. She's in. Look at that. Can't wait for you guys to see it at night. That's it, guys. Let's put this guy back now. And hold. Now guys, we got the 2 screws that goes in here. Let's just put those guys back in. Okay. Not too tight, just snug again. Okay, that is done. Now just put the carpet back into its spot. There we go. Put the clip back in. That's it, guys. She's done. She's a doner. Here it is, guys. I'll show you another video at night so you can really see what it looks like. Okay. All right, guys. So now I also wanted to show you the backup light. Look how bright these guys are. Oh my goodness, they are so bright. See how much they light up the ground? So you could really have no problem seeing. Look at that, guys. Look how far that goes. Look, you can see it from so far away. Looks really good, guys. Nice. Love it. Okay guys, another one bite to dust. The video for the 2000 Lexus GS300 is all done. They look good. They light up the back really well and you're able to see very well. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Till the next time. Peace.